Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today we're going to do a review and show you why I love the Shark StainStriker. This is model number PX253. They call it the HairPro. Here we're going to clean up a big stain, but there's also some dog hair that's mixed in with here. That's where this really specializes. Now we're going to use this Shark solution. For really stubborn stains, I might spray a little bit of this Folex on. This actually does a really good job of getting stains out. Now I did purchase this product with my own money. I wasn't paid for this video, but I do use links. So if you purchase this product using a link off of my website or in this video, the product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. This is Home of the Honest Review. I don't take free products and I don't take sponsorships. I bring Dad's common sense testing to products. Okay, it's simple to use. When I press the trigger, the water is going to come out under pressure right here. This has the pet hair tool attachment. Now, the OxyClean gets mixed in with the normal solution in water when we turn it on. So let's turn it on. We're going to press the trigger and solution's going to come out. Got a nice cleaning pattern, nice spray pattern. I can spray while I scrub. Now it's not sucking up all those hairs, but the ones that do get sucked up, there's a special place they go. It's actually doing a very good job of cleaning this. Now it's always a good job to vacuum before you do this, but sometimes you can't. Excellent job. It did a really good job on the stain. It did vacuum up quite a few of those hairs, and I'm going to show you where they go. Now we're going to do the hose clean. It's got a built-in rinse and go. I like to let it air dry a little bit. Now I bet you're wondering, where did that hair go? Let's open up the dirty water tank, lift the handle. There's a special compartment. Put the handle flat, lift this off. We'll take this to the sink and clean it. But here is where the hair went. I can dump that down the sink. It's not going to have hair in it. But here's the hair catcher. That's why they call it the Pet Pro. Two things, and that's a rubber gripper material that does a great job of pulling that pet hair out of the carpet. So I love taking this to the sink. I love being able to get inside there and clean that all out. Let's put this back. And rotate the handle. It goes in. It also has a built-in crevice tool. You can take this off if you've got to do some crevice cleaning. And this is an extra large cleaner. If you've got a larger area to clean, it's going to do a great job. Now, Shark has all kinds of models. It all has to do with what type of tools they have. But the HairPro does have that special feature for the hair. You can use, I love the Deep Clean Pet inside. It smells really good. So this, again, if you want to see my top picks, check out justadadapproved.com. It's a website where I show you all the reviews on my products and my top picks. I do wet dry floor mops, upright carpet cleaners, robot vacuum cleaners. Again, I purchased them with my own money. That way I can give you my honest opinion. This is actually a really, really good spot cleaner that's been around for a while. They're starting to really modernize it. It's got several different model numbers. Check out my latest video where I did a comparison with the Battle of the Minis. Hoover just released a brand new Mini and I compared it to the Bissell Little Green Mini. Coming up next, I'm going to be comparing it to the UWant. Never really heard of this brand, but it's very popular. Also the Bissell, this is brand new, the Auto Pro. Got some pretty cool features. I have purchased the brand new Shark carpet cleaners. There's two of them. They look very, very interesting. I got the old StainStrikers that they're still improving on. Cordless vacuum cleaners. All right, stick around if you want to see the unboxing. I measure everything, show you how to put it together, and just go through all the fine details. We're going to do an unboxing on the Shark StainStriker, model number PX253BRN. Here's everything that comes in the box. This little piece, I'll show you where it goes. You get two solution bottles. You get this extra wide cleaning brush. There's already a brush installed on here. I've got the cord wrapped around. Now the hose is 4 feet long. Very flexible, 4 feet long. The power cord you're going to plug this into, 12 feet long. I like that it has onboard rinsing. So when you're all done, you're going to rinse right there. But you got to put 2 solutions in it, which I'll explain. There's the Oxy multiplier. This is the solution tank for the deep clean pet. Okay, that's what the purple one goes. So you're going to fill this up with water to right here. And then you're going to put this as concentrated solution. You'll put from the water line to the concentrate line with just this solution. So this is dilute. This is do not dilute, full strength. You're going to dump this entire can, which is 12 fluid ounces, into the Oxy multiplier. So this goes full strength. This gets mixed with this whenever you're cleaning to help it clean stains better. And I think it does actually do a really, really good job. Simple to operate, simply a press button. You're going to turn it on and off. This is the dirty water tank. Now they call it the Pet Pro because of this hair chamber right here. So let's take the dirty water tank lid off. When you suck up dirty water, the hair, now it won't always be this tall. Yeah, I forgot. You got to turn this handle all the way that way and then it comes right up. So you got this hair chamber, and then you can pull the hairs out with this little handle. This is really nice and this works very well. I like that this all comes apart. You can get a brush in there and clean it. Make sure that handle's that way, rotate it, and now it's on there. There's also a filter right here. You may have to clean this filter also. It doesn't come off, but you can wipe it off. Oh, it does come off. You pull a little hard, you can take that over the sink and clean it. And just pop it right in. Dirty water tank back on. Again, you're going to take, this is the one that's diluted. Here's the one that's not. Turn it on. Now when you press the trigger, solution's going to come out of this right here under pressure. These are for pet cleaning. I'll explain why. These is like a rubber, it grabs pet hair. But if you just need to do general purpose cleaning, you can flip this over and do general purpose cleaning. If you need to do a crevice, it has a built-in crevice tool. And that's what this piece is for. If you want to do built-in crevice with pet hair, you can take this off and put this other one on for pet hair. Again, when I spray, it's going to come out right here. There's my suction port. Let's put the great big one on. Again, spray comes out right here. That's a big pet tool, and I can flip this over. Let's measure that. That's about a 6 3/4 or 17 centimeter open scrubbing area. This is about a 3-inch or an 8 centimeter scrubbing area. Now I love, this is going to get dirty. So you can take this to the sink, open this all up. See how that's the suction area. I get this all nice and clean, take it all apart, let it dry, and then put it back together. Even the small one does the exact same thing. And you just simply put the crevice tool in there till it clicks. I love the HairPro StainStriker from Shark. I think you're absolutely going to love it too. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Now the best place to go to find these robot vacuum cleaner picks is justadadapproved.com. Up here in the top header, you're going to see best overall vacuums, best for pet hair, best under 1,000, best under 500, and best under 300. Let's check best overall. I don't give you 20 picks. I give you 5 of my top robot vacuum cleaners with the score, but I have all the information to back it up. If you want to read the full review, why did I pick the Mova V50? Let's go see the full review. You can see the videos that I have right here to back it up. I have my 3-month real world score test, my real world testing results, cost to own, my robot specs that I think are important to robot vacuum cleaners, some quick buy it if, skip if, and then a simple review. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.